Hi, this is Abhijit and welcome to Abhi's Creation and Shiliguri Project Corner. Today's project name is Human Lungs. In this project, we are using recycled and waste materials like thermocol, straw, balloons, cardboard, etc. Watch the video till the end and you can also know how to make this project. If are you new my channel and you like the science video, so subscribe my channel, like the video and share with your friends. There is a small working part of this model. This balloon represents as a alveoli of lung, and here we also show the respiration process. Hope so you like the project. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.